Welcome back to the channel. This is Darren, one of the certified arborists here at LeBel Landscaping, and we're going to be talking about tree trimming today. Tree trimming is one of the most important and cost-effective improvements that you can perform at your residence or commercial property. Our focus at LeBel Landscaping is to provide the highest quality tree pruning in a safe and efficient manner. Our dedicated tree crews are outfitted with the most modern equipment and practice all ANSI pruning practices. We start by sending one of our 5 certified arborists to your property for an inspection and estimate. After that, we will schedule the work typically within 2 weeks. Our arborists will meet the crew on site to review the subscribed pruning. Next, we perform the work in an efficient manner that will keep your property safe. When we complete the trimming, we will collect all of the debris, haul it away, and leave the property cleaner than when we arrived. Call us today for your free consultation. We specialize in jobs that require true arbor professionals to properly perform.